hadith of Sahih Imam Bukhari, if the person sneezes, he should say Alhamdulillah. You got this from Allah. When you say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah, he said, then حَقٌّ عَلَى كُلِّ مُسْلِمٍ سَمِعَهُ, it becomes due on every Muslim who heard them saying Alhamdulillah upon sneezing to say Yarhamukumullah. Sahih Imam Muslim, among the rights of a Muslim upon another Muslim is Tashmitul Atus. The shamata in Arabic is a very interesting